Hello, and welcome to Westie's Adventures. On today's episode, we are going to tour the Carnival Mardi Gras Loft 19. Typically, this area is not open to the general public as you have to be an XL Suite guest or pay the daily cabana fee to access this level. But the Carnival staff was absolutely amazing and allowed me and my friends to go and tour this level for my YouTube channel. So let's go check it out. As you may have already figured out, Loft 19 is located on Deck 19, which is Mardi Gras' highest deck. It's very quiet, rather spacious, and it has a very tropical feel to it. Now, as I mentioned, if you are an XL Suite guest, you automatically have access to this level, or if you would like to rent it by the day, you can rent a cabana which comfortably fits 5 people for $500 per day. Now, what does that include, you might ask? You'll receive access to the infinity glass whirlpool, fresh fruit, chilled towels, lunch delivery, and attentive concierge service. Right here is what you can expect out of your cabana. Now, the only area to get wet on this deck is right here in the glass infinity whirlpool. We'll get a better view of that in a few minutes. Over here, you have a few more cabanas that overlook the Serenity Pool below. Now, as a side note here, if you have never seen a video of the XL Suites aboard the Carnival Mardi Gras, definitely check those out on YouTube. I've seen plenty of tours on there. They are amazing, and one day I definitely want to stay in one of those. Loft 19 definitely has plenty of lounge chairs and comfy seating, as well as it is over top of the 21 and over Serenity Club below. So it is pretty quiet and pretty private. Now, is it worth the extra $500 per day, or is it worth the upgrade of an XL Suite? Personally, the XL Suite is amazing within itself, but that is something that you would have to decide. For me personally, I'm not a huge lounge around all day type of person, so I probably wouldn't spend the extra $500 per day unless I was just in the XL Suite, which one day I want to be. So you let me know if you think that it would be worth it for you and your family. Thanks so much for checking out my channel today, guys. And if you found this video of any value, please consider subscribing to my channel as it helps me grow right here on YouTube. Feel free to like and comment on my videos. And until next time, we'll see you later.